What's up, guys? Welcome to another J-Boy, the Black Filipino, with my co-host.
Madana, guys. Good morning sa ating lahat. Magandang gabi.
Hey, guys, we're going to talk about a big snowstorm that we have here in New York City. What do you think about that snowstorm we have right now?
Yeah, so, for the 3 years I've been here, only yesterday, like a very, very dangerous blizzard of snow is until my hips. I cannot walk outside. It's too difficult.
It was really bad, guys.
Yeah.
So we're going to let you see those videos. And don't forget to smash that like button. Tell a friend. Come on, watch our videos.
And subscribe,
subscribe. And support us, guys, so we can keep putting out great content from Philippines and New York. So enjoy the videos. Bye-bye.
Thank you.
Bye-bye. Take care.
Look at the boo. It's already in my knee. Boo, look at this.
Wow, guys. Welcome to another J-Boy, the Black Filipino YouTube channel. Holy shit.
Look at that.
This is worse than before. Go, go, go.
Wow.
This is insane.
I cannot go out.
We go. You gotta try.
Hello. My God. Shit. It's so bad, boo.
It's insane.
In the car, boo. Look.
Let me see. Hello, everybody.
Boo, look at that. Cooler than me, the snow.
Of course. Go out on the road, boo, before the taxi come.
I need to go out in the road.
How many more minutes, he said?
8:43. What time is it now? Okay. I'm here.
Good job.
Bye.
Just call me and make sure you're okay.
Yeah.
All right? Guys, we still in the middle of a major, when I say major snowstorm, guys. The snow is tall as me. The snow is tall as me. Get my truck out. You want to see how tall is it? Look at the cars. Look at the road. You can't even. It's ridiculous. Woo! One day later, I finally got my car out, guys. So thank you for watching. Take care.